Most people don't realize that answering simple questions online can actually earn you money. Yeah, you heard me right. And that's why in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a 100% legit website where you can head to right now and start answering basic questions to get paid. So yeah, without wasting much more time, make sure to stay to the very end and let's get started. So the name of this website is JustAnswer.com, and this is the website that actually pays you for answering basic questions. And the best part about this website is the fact that you're not chasing clients, you're not chasing customers, you're not chasing people to actually approach you. Here on this platform, we already have the questions ready to be answered. All you simply have to do is to spot the question you're suitable with answering and then answer it with clarity. And then from there, you get paid. So as you guys can see on my screen right now, all you simply have to do in order to get started is to head to the site justanswer.com. And here on the website, as you guys can see, we have real help from real lawyers, real bankers, real mechanics, and several professions. And all you simply have to do is to scroll to the bottom. All right, once you're ready to start answering questions, and head to the option for become an expert. So once you click on become an expert over here, all you simply have to do from there is to register as an expert. Ideally, on this particular website, we have a whole lot of people that come here to ask several questions, ranging from terminologies in mechanics to engineering to normal life questions, relationship questions. A whole lot of people just come here to pour out their questions, looking for professionals or normal people like you and I that can actually give them a very, very suitable answer. And once you actually give them that suitable answer that they are very clear and understand perfectly, then you actually get paid through their subscriptions. Now, like I said, for you to actually get started, you want to come here to become an expert, and then you want to click on apply now. So once you click on apply now, you would be shown the form that you would have to fill in, starting with your specialty. Okay, your specialty, what exactly are you good in? Okay, you want to click on the drop down over here, and then you want to look for the specialty that you're very comfortable with, any question that might come out from there. So let's say we're going to be going for wellness, for example. Then after that, you want to insert your first name. I'm going to just put KitKat over here. You want to come here to insert your last name as well. And then after your last name, you want to insert your email address. Ensure that the email address you're going to be inserting is something you have easy access to, because this is actually the email that once they actually approve you, you're going to be getting notifications and messages with. All right. So now once you insert your email over here and then you insert your mobile number, all you have to do after that is to click on next. And then from there, once they actually do your identification screening and they see that yes, you're actually someone they can actually add inside your program, then from there you actually become an expert and start answering questions. And in case you need clarity or you don't really understand how to go about it, if you scroll to the bottom, you can see how it works. Get paid to help people, they ask, you answer. Anywhere, anytime, with your desktop or smartphone, whatever medium you want to use, it's all left to you. And then you want to also choose your workload. If you're someone that don't like working 24 hours, you can as well select, oh, you're okay for just 2 hours or 3 hours or 30 minutes, whatever works best for you. You can actually select that. And then there's also a community for you to actually grow in your niche. That is, depending on the category you're comfortable with answering questions, there is a community you can join for that particular niche, where you can learn more in order to answer a whole lot of questions appropriately and professionally. And then if you scroll down, as you guys can see, this is the community, this is the application process. All right, as you guys can see, there are no sign up fees. You're not paying anything. Okay, you apply online just like what I showed you guys. They verify your credentials. All right, once they see that yeah, you're actually good, they look at your your credentials, and if it's actually comfortable with them, you start making money. They approve you by sending a message to your mail, and then from there you start to see a whole lot of questions based on what you selected, that is the category selected. And once you're able to answer those questions with clarity, you get paid. And yeah, concerning the payment, a whole lot of people earn from as low as $2 to about $50 and up to about $2,000 every single month, depending on the answers you actually giving and depending on the specialty and the professionalism of you yourself. If you're a lawyer, if you're a banker, if you're an artist, There are a whole lot of professions that are earning higher than some other professions. So it all depends. But what you need to understand in terms of the payment is even if you're answering simple questions, you can earn as low as $20 to as high as $100. And then if you're earning based on something that is more technical, something that requires more, of an expertise answer, you can earn as much as 2,000 or even more in a single month. And if you calculate that every single year, you'll be earning a very, very decent amount. And then if you scroll down as well, you can see several people's review based on Just Answer. You can see working Just Answers provided me with the opportunity to work a flexible schedule. There are a whole lot of people earning online through this platform. You can see this is actually a mechanic. You're going to see lawyers. You're going to see doctors. If you yourself you're an expert in a particular field, you can come here and start answering questions and get paid. You don't want to just waste your expertise or your skills on things that are not going to pay you well. Just come here to this website and start earning. And then in case you need more clarity about several things here on justanswer.com, you can scroll down to frequently asked questions. You can see how long it takes, from about 4 to 7 days, depending on the application process itself. And then if you scroll down, you can see the categories, you can see several other things you can get clarity from. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned something new and you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and also feel free to share this video with your friends and family members. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.